Good afternoon and welcome to the Science List. My name is Pablo Galindo, and today we're going to talk about the contributions of chemistry in our modern world. Well, first, we're going to hear what Dr. Manuel Martinez has to say about the contributions of chemistry in modern medicine.
Yes, thank you, Pablo. I'm here at the Medical Research Center where new medicine is being created. This, thanks to a group of doctors that using chemical reactions are studying how certain chemicals affect bacteria. This helps the creation of new vaccines that cures some diseases. We have to know that chemistry is very important for medicine because it can be used as a diagnostic tool such as a treatment tool. I say diagnostic because doctors can use, like for example, blood or urine samples to see if you have a certain disease thanks to a chemical reaction, and also can be used as a treatment tool, such in chemotherapy that helps the cure of cancer. Well, this is all for today. Going back to you, Pablo.
Thank you, Dr. Manuel. Well, now we're going to see what chemistry has to do with food, and my partner Yusif Vizcarra is going to talk about that.
Thanks, Pablo. Today I'm talking about the application of chemistry in food. Chemistry is related to food because of the chemical compounds found in all of our foods. Everything we eat is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon. The only difference is how these elements are organized in different foods, which also affects how certain foods are digested and metabolized. Going back to you, Pablo.
Chemistry has to do with warfare. Pablo?
Thanks, Pablo. Today I'm going to talk about the chemistry in warfare. Well, many weapons have been created with the application of chemistry. Chemistry has developed through the years and as a result have created new materials and technological advances that have served to make innovative weapons that are increasingly more dangerous for humanity. An example could be atom bombs, which split atoms to create energy for an explosion. Back to you, Pablo.
Thanks, Doctor. That was very interesting. Well, now we're going to see what is chemistry and what is global warming. And the specialist Edgar Ortiz is going to explain about that.
Thanks, Pablo. First, what is the global warming? The global warming is the gradual increase of the Earth's atmosphere. It is believed to be due to the greenhouse effect. Let's talk about the global warming potential, the GWP. The ability of a gas to cause global warming is described by its GWP. Some CFCs are 25,000 times more efficient at absorbing infrared radiation than carbon dioxide, but luckily the use of CFCs have been banned, and since then the effect that they had is being faded. Although the greenhouse effect ain't always bad. Without greenhouse gases, our Earth will be 35 degrees lower than it is now, and our Earth will be completely covered on ice. That will be all for me. Coming back to you, Pablo.
Ice caps because they are a threat to the weather of Mexico. And we.
Thanks, Pablo. Now, I will talk about the melting of polar ice caps and the three possible solutions. Are the polar ice caps are melting? You can find opinions that vary. Some say yes, while others say no. The truth is that our polar ice caps appear to be melting, and that can be a dangerous thing for our planet, even if scientists can't come to an agreement as to why are they melting. The two possible solutions to stop the melting of polar ice caps are: stop burning fossil fuels, stop deforestation, and using an alternate form of energy. Back to you, Pablo.
You see, chemistry is everywhere, and without chemistry we wouldn't have the tools, the objects, the everyday things that we have today, and we wouldn't have the knowledge of the world we live in. Well, this is all for today, and I'll see you next week on Science.